Hi, this is Habib from Preston Audi, and this is the Audi Q5 Sportback S-Line. This model has a 45 TFSI engine with 265 PS and a slick S-tronic gearbox, delivering an impressive 0-60 time of just 6.1 seconds. This model has had one previous owner. With this being an approved use Audi model, it means it comes with 1 year warranty, 1 year MOT, and 1 year roadside assistance. Starting at the front of the car, we have the S-Line enhanced exterior styling, giving this a stylish front end. While as standard, we have the famous Quattro 4-wheel drive system, meaning you could be reassured that you'll receive the same driving experience under any condition. Not only that, but as standard, we also have the striking Matrix LED headlights, not only providing high quality illumination, but with the high beam assist, it means it can automatically raise it at the main beam, depending on the traffic. Moving around the side of the car, we have the optional 20-inch 5-segment spoke design alloy wheels, which look amazing and complement the stunning Mythos Black paintwork perfectly, while there's also heated, electrically adjustable and folding body-coloured door mirrors with integrated LED side indicators, aluminium side window trim strips, as well as aluminium roof rails, really setting off the stylish exterior look, while the rear privacy glass ensures there's extra security for your rear seat passengers. Even with the sloping roofline, there's a spacious interior with plenty of space for all passengers to sit comfortably, while on the optional fine Nappa leather, it means you can travel in luxury too. These are really comfortable and supportive, especially on long journeys, while the contrast stitching really uplifts the interior ambience. There's also ice-fix points on the outer rear seats, so you can be reassured that your child seats will stay secure on the move. And if there's no middle seat passenger, there's also a fold-down armrest with 2 inbuilt cup holders, perfect for those long road trips, which we're sure you'll be able to do in this car with ease. Moving outside of the car and around to the back, we have LED rear lights with dynamic rear indicators, and as mentioned earlier, the enhanced exterior styling also includes a roof edge spoiler, rear bumper and rear diffuser, giving this a stylish overall look over the sport model. To access the boot, just double tap the button on the key or use a soft release on the power operated tailgate. This has a large boot with 510 litres of space, so there's plenty of room for adding a shopping or even a pushchair, while folding down the rear seats means you can add in those larger and longer items, such as flatback furniture. And once you've loaded everything, just push the button on the power operated tailgate and it will close automatically. Overall, this is a really stylish SUV. While considering its age and mileage, it is in excellent condition. Moving inside, you'll see it's equally as stylish. There's matte brushed aluminium inlays, which really uplift the interior ambience. Lower down, we have the automatic gearbox and electronic handbrake, really clearing up the interior for a clutter-free, stylish look. There's also front sport seats upholstered in fine Nappa leather, which are not only plush, but also really comfortable and supportive, especially on long journeys, while the manual adjustability means you can easily get into your favourite driving position every time you get into the car, with the electric lumbar support adding the extra convenience on those longer journeys. There's also automatic headlights with light and rain sensors, while on the doors we have the switches for the windows and electrically adjustable mirrors, as well as a switch for the power operated tailgate, so you can open the boot from inside. We also have the optional Bang & Olufsen premium sound system for the front and rear, which we'll come on to later. But this concludes our 360-degree walk around of the Audi Q5 Sportback S-Line. Now let's take a look at the interior from the driver's perspective. In front of you there's a 3-spoke leather high multifunction sport steering wheel, with buttons to control the virtual cockpit you see ahead of you, as well as the infotainment display on the centre console. On the left hand side of the steering wheel we have these toggle switches which you can use to change the display ahead. We have general car information which can display consumption both short term and long term, as well as driver assist, so all the important information is displayed ahead of you. There's also DAB digital radio, so you can listen to your favourite radio stations, telephone equipment for making those hands-free calls, as well as navigation with 3D mapping, so you can easily find a destination, while if you click view you can change the size of those dials, really adding that extra customizability for the display. This model has rode 8,098 miles, while as it's registered on the 1st of July 2021, its warranty is still valid until the 1st of July 2024, while it will also come with the original set of 2 keys. As standard, we have the 10.1-inch multimedia interface Navigation Plus display screen, with functionalities such as DAB digital radio, so you can listen to your favourite radio stations, media controls with various sources such as Bluetooth and USB, telephone equipment for making those hands-free calls, as well as navigation with 3D mapping, so you can easily find a destination. There's also Audi's smartphone interface, allowing you to connect to device media with the optional wireless Apple CarPlay, so streaming your favourite music or podcasts couldn't be easier. As standard, there's also Audi's Drive Select, allowing you to alter the driving dynamics by choosing one of the pre-configured modes. There's plenty of modes to choose from, such as off-road, efficiency, comfort, and auto, with individual allowing you to customise your options, such as the drive system and steering. But our personal favourite is dynamic, as it's the most driver focused. We also have the optional comfort and sound pack, adding the extended LED interior lighting pack, so if heading to lights and vision and background lighting, you'll see the pre-configured colour modes. There's options such as contour, solar, impulse and maritime. But you've also got individual, so if heading to surfaces and colours, you'll see the 30 different colour options to choose from to match your mood or vibe, so you can really add your personal touch to the interior. Not only that, but the comfort and sound pack also adds a 360-degree camera system, with plenty of views for the front, rear and side, which can change by the vehicle on the left hand side or by using the toggles at the lower edge of the screen, and it will come really handy, especially when navigating through those tight spaces, while the front and rear dynamic guidelines ensure you can easily park into any parking space. Moving down, we have the display for the Deluxe 3-zone electronic climate control, with separate controls for the passenger, rear passengers and driver, with plenty of configurability to your liking. You can easily change your temperature, speed and direction on the move without taking eyes off the road, while we also have the added benefit of heated front seats, which will come really handy, especially on those cold winter mornings. This was a walk around of the Audi Q5 Sportback S-Line. If you'd like trend reviewing, test drive or request a personalised finance quote, please contact us on 0772 911 331. Thank you for watching.